Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video we will be learning how to log out of Kraken application on your smartphone. If you are done trading or just want to secure your account, logging out of Kraken app is a smart move. First of all, open up the Kraken application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're in the home page, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. This will open up the Accounts tab where you need to scroll all the way down and look for the Sign Out button. Tap on Sign Out and click on Yes Sign Out to confirm, and that way you will be logged out of your Kraken account. If you want back in, you can simply log in again with your credentials, and that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.